Hi guys, my name is Ramba Mamba, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make a quick and easy thumbnail for your YouTube videos that has to do with game development or anything in general really. So let's get right into it. So this video was actually requested by me by two small YouTubers similar to me named Lokes and Big Mac, which I'll leave a link down in the description to their YouTube channels. You should really check them out. They're really great YouTubers. So anyways, along with the video, we'll be using canva.com in this video. I personally really like this website because it is super easy to get used to it. And so let's just get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is search up YouTube Dimensions 2020. And so, of course, this is always changing, and this has changed a couple years ago. So I do not want you guys to have some dimensions that are wrong and then have to remake your entire design. So just make sure you search up the current dimensions for YouTube. And so in 2020 and 2021, it's 1280 by 720. So when I go into canva.com, you can you should go to canva.com and you can either log in or sign up. So just create an account. You'll need an email and whatnot. But after that, you want to go to your home page and click create a design. Then select custom dimensions and the dimensions you found online. So I found 1280 by 720. Make sure it's pixels and I'll create design. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is rename the file. So you can do this at the top and I'll just be naming this how to make thumbnails. So of course you're gonna want to name this the name of your YouTube video or whatnot, but in my case I'll actually be naming it this video because I'll be making the thumbnail for this video during this video. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do to kind of set the theme is on the left hand panel. If this isn't showing, maybe there will be some sort of button. You'll want to go to the background uh, button. And over here you can find a bunch of great backgrounds that are already made. But I like to go with the simple ones, like not the starry ones and stuff, because those already have a big design on them and it's hard to read text. So I'll pick something pretty simple for this video. Maybe I'll pick this ocean. And then the next thing I'll do is head over to the text section and now I'll add some text. So I want to have a couple of text in my thumbnail. The first going to be the name of the video and something to grab your readers or users' attention. So I'm going to look for some sort of text that kind of matches what I'm trying to go for. So I like this dream text. So I'll move it over to here. And now I'll double click on it to change the text. So I'll write something such as how to make YouTube thumbnails. So you might notice this is clearly not fitting, and we can actually click on our text object and resize it, and then we can just drag this back up and resize it again. And now it's small enough, but it's not really in one line, so we can drag it on the side to make it bigger. How to make YouTube thumbnails. So that looks nice. So I'll increase this again. And I'll actually fix the spelling error there. And so now if I click on the text, we have a bunch of options here, such as effects, and we can kind of change how the text looks. So I like none. I want this to be very readable. And you can also mess around with a couple of settings, such as its color. So for this case, I'll actually make it a little bit darker. So now we've got our primary text. This is what I like to call our primary text. And this one should usually be centered or off to a side. It shouldn't be somewhere in the middle. So now that we have how to make YouTube thumbnails, we can put something that will catch our users' attention. So in this case, I want to say something that says get more views or something like that. So I'll look for another type of text that I kind of like. So I kind of like the Spirit Night text. And you can see when I click on it, it actually brings up multiple pieces of text. And that's because multiple pieces of text are linked to it. So with this text selected, I can click on the ungroup button at the very top. And then now I can select off and then select the two text pieces below it and delete them. And now I got one single text piece. And now I can rename this to something like get more views. And there you go. You've got a very simple text. So at this top bar is where you can change the effects and the color of your objects. And so I actually don't really like this text style. So I can click on this and click on Serena. And then I can change the text type. So maybe I'll change it to something like, I kind of like that. So now I can move it, and I'll just scale it again to how I like. And I'll raise this up. And so lastly, I'll be showing you how you can add some images or some elements to your thumbnail. So if you look on the left bar, we got a tab for elements, and these are some Canva built-in elements. And of course, you can also use the Uploads tab to upload your own images. So in my case, I'll be going to the Elements tab and I'll be searching up Views. And I found an eye I like. So I'll grab this eye and I'll drag it over. I'll resize it. Maybe I'll place it right here. Now, if I want to change the color, I can do this just like text. I'll just select the element, select the color, and maybe I'll make it some sort of like red or maybe purple. I don't know. I'll just experiment with some colors that I like. And there you go. That seems to match the theme. So I like that eye. And if I can also upload my own image. So for example, I can upload media and from my desktop, I can grab an image. Now, if I wanted to add some other images, I could simply just click on it and then I can drag it anywhere I want. So I think I'll just leave this over here. And there you go. I've finished my YouTube thumbnail. That looks really nice. So now you want to download this and put it on your YouTube video. So we can simply click the download button. Make sure it's a type of PNG. And we'll click the download button. So once this is all done, it'll download the video, download the image. And then on your YouTube Creator Studio, you can simply just set it to the thumbnail of your video. Thank you so much for watching. That is how I get more views on my videos and how I make YouTube thumbnails. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because it will help me get my message out to others and it doesn't cost anything. So thank you for watching.